Chief Prosecutor Basil O'Malley filed the amended complaint on September 30th, the day before trial was supposed to commence. The filing has resulted in a one-day delay in selecting a jury. Superior Court Judge Anita Sokola expressed concern at the government's action, canceling the jury selection, which was scheduled for early this afternoon, and instead replacing it with a continued pretrial conference to review the amended complaint. In the amended complaint against Ronald Selvage, Cecile Suda, and David Sablon, the prosecution has dismissed several charges with prejudice, meaning the charges no longer contained in the complaint cannot be recharged against the three defendants. While the charges against Selvage remain intact, charges for Suda have been amended to reflect a dismissal of charge 27 and 28 in the original complaint. The only charges remaining against Suda are charges 12 and 13 for conspiracy. For former GHURA chairman David Sablon, a number of charges have been dismissed, cutting it from 25 charges to 11 charges involving conspiracy, official misconduct, and violating open government law. In court today, Attorney Jay Arreola and Attorney Jacqueline Terlahi were present. Arreola represents Deanne Torrey, and Terlahi represents Rosie Blas, whose cases have been severed from the other defendants. It was noted that the complaint against these defendants will also be amended by the government. With the amended complaint filed on the eve of trial, Judge Sokola has given the defendants until tomorrow at 10 a.m. to file any amended witness lists. At this time, it is anticipated that the government will call 7 witnesses, to include former GHURA director Michael Duenas, who took a cooperation deal with the government in exchange for testifying against the co-actors in the case. Also named as a witness is former executive director Ray Tapasnia, who has filed a lawsuit in federal court involving the case, as well as former GHURA attorney Mark Smith, who is named in a federal case involving money laundering and fraud related to accepting payments as a Section 8 landlord, which is prohibited. Jury selection and trial is slated to begin tomorrow.